back to our first module, that is administration organization. So what does administration and organization mean? The task of administration is to determine the objectives and policies of the enterprise. Administration includes the formulation of plan and determination of an organization structure. So it's the center point of employees of a higher level. So we are going to see how is an administration hierarchy. So what you are looking into the chart is from the topmost, that is the CTO, CIO, to the next is IT head, that will report like the system administration, application administration, cloud administration. These are different administrator which will report to the IT head, and under that comes the IT help desk and support desk. So what are these roles regarding to? Talking about the CTO and CIO, I can explain you that the CIO, that is Chief Information Officer, which will handle like the ensuring its business processes which will run efficiently. It will look towards a goal of promoting a productivity of individual employee, and it will see that the business unit is as a whole. Like the main responsibility of CIO will be managing and ensuring, and also looking for the ongoing operations which are critical systems, like it will maintain the critical systems and it will also ensure the overall security. The main responsibility of a CIO will be managing all the technological infrastructure, overseeing its IT operations and departments, also focusing on the requirements of the internal employees. Regarding the CTO is a Chief Technological Officer. The Chief Technology Officer focuses on creating and using the technology in order so that it will help the business to grow. It will typically improve the offerings that the company's customer purchases with the help of technologies. So as we know, the CTO focuses on external customers, that is those who are buying your company's product, even if the product itself isn't digital or technology based. So CTO will always be responsible for your external handlings, and for internal handlings we can go for CIO. So these are the exclusive heads of the administration hierarchy. After that comes the IT head. So what is IT head? IT head is for overseeing all the technological operations and then evaluating them according to the established goals. So it is devising and establishing the IT policies and the systems to support the implementation of strategies, and also to set up the upper management by analyzing the business requirement. So it's the IT head plays a role for overseeing all the technological operations. So under comes the system administrator. So there are different administrator. So going for system administrator, application administrator, cloud administrator, it will be the depending upon the role you're going to work for. If you're working for a database, then it will be for a database administrator. If you're going for cloud, if you're going for server, for systems, the roles will be different. So, talking about system administrator, a system admin will be always responsible to upkeep the configuration, the reliability of operations of the computer system. So, it's a multi-user server thing. So, he will handle all this multitasking for the servers, for your computers. So, this is all about system administrator. What an application administrator will do? Application administrator are never, we cannot say them as developers, and they are not even the users, but they are for critical things to keep the application of your organization reliable. So that is to, it relies on running. They will install, update, tune, diagnose, and they will overall babysit your internal and also the third party applications. So this is all what application administrator looks for. Now what a cloud administrator will do? A cloud administrator will always be responsible for a mixed environment working. So that may include your Windows, or that may include your Unix too. The responsibility will be of an individual to manage the instances of the cloud infrastructure services, and also for the multiple cloud service. The professional assist will help you. This cloud administrator will help in setting up the public or private cloud systems too. So talking about network administrator, this person will be always designated in an organization whose responsibility will always include for maintaining the computer infrastructure, that is over the LANs, over the WANs. The responsibility may vary between the organization, but by installing the hardware, on-site servers, so this all comes under which the main focus is on the software or hardware networking, so it will come under network administrator. That will be its responsibilities. Talking about security manager, as the word suggests, it will be all about dealing with the high level IT security issues. So it will be like supervising the employees who implement and configure the security measures. So this will be their duties, including hiring new employees, preparing and overseeing the budget, and also evaluating and ordering new security tools and technologies. So security managers will all perform these responsibilities. What is database administrator? What database administrator will look for? So it will be used for specialized softwares to store and organize the data. The role of an database administrator includes capacity planning, also the installation, configuration, database design, migration, performing the monitoring, security, troubleshooting, as well as backup of the data and its recovery. So everything will be managed, overlooked by a database administrator. And last comes the IT help desk and support desk. As help desk, as the name suggests, a help or support whenever it is needed. Like it is the process, like IT help desk will be always for providing information and support relating to the company information, as well as the information regarding to the products, the services of organization to its end users or the customers. So this part is played by IT help desk and support desk. So this is how the administration hierarchy is. So we have seen CTO, CIO under that IT head, and which is governs the system administrator, application, cloud, network administration, database administration, and security manager. And then comes the IT help desk for your support. So let's stop over here.